Hello and welcome to this video guide. I will show with you step by step how to log in comdirect online. If you want to log in, follow me in this video. Go to Google, search for comdirect. This is the keyword. Click the first website here. After that, you will see this page. In this page, just click log in. You will log in directly to this page, In this access, write your number or username or email, your username and email. From this section, write your password. After write your password, choose this option directly or billing data, this option, and then click on sign up. This is sign up. You can use this app, download comdirect app. You can download this app on official website here. Just click the App Store. From the App Store, download this app and complete your login process. This is how you can do it. Just download this app and log in with your own information. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and share this video.